Okay, this is F350 side mirror replacement project part 1. I watched a couple other vids. One of them showed that these mirrors could be popped out. I'm not sure what year he was messing with, but mine doesn't pop out. I had to sacrifice this. I haven't tried the upper one yet. I'm gonna try to be a little more gentle, but bottom line is I don't think it pops out. There are spade connectors here which I think slide off, and I'm gonna have to go maybe see if I can't find an aftermarket one, and because I don't think there's any way to get this off of here without destroying stuff. And this is sitting on a swivel ball, and here's a you'd have to get that screw magically through this pane of glass to get this to pop out somehow. Yeah, that's it. I actually ordered this from FedEx and it came broken. So now we're working through that. And in the meantime, I am going to try to salvage kind of a 2 from 1 or 1 from 2 situation. One thing though, to get this back panel off, you do take your channel locks and squeeze this at the same time. You slide a little knife in there and it pops. It pulls these tabs off of these little retainer latches there, whatever. And yeah, so that gets you into it, but there's not much going on back here. This gearbox, I was seeing if I could have a window into it, but that was a bad idea. I don't see any way to get at this upper pane without getting at hopefully some clips. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. If there's anybody out there wanting me to keep it posted.